Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to start by finding a backing track that I want to use for my protest song. I'm going to go into GarageBand and start a new project. When I get there, you might only have male and female basic, but I'm going to go to this plus sign right here, and by clicking on that, I can create a new track, which I've already done. I'll just move this out of the way. And you're going to click on loops. So when you see your loops that you can use, I would suggest going to percussion, beats, all drums, or kits. So I'm just going to click on kits right now. And you can see there's lots of different beats and kits you can pick from. I'm just going to randomly pick classic rock beat number 3. You can listen to that. Okay, I like it. So we're going to drag that one right here. And I want this to last quite a few loops through, so I'm just going to make a long loop of it. Now that I have that, I'm going to go and I want to record a guitar loop, a real instrument. Again, I'm going to add a loop. Click on Real Instrument, Create. And for this particular track, you might choose to use piano instead, but I'm going to use my guitar. And on my guitar, I'm going to choose my standard chord progression that I've picked to use for my protest song, and I'm going to record it a couple times because this is for practicing, and once I have figured out my melody I will probably want to go back and change it again. So I'm going to start here and record a few times through on my guitar. Here we go. I'm going to use my 4 chords G, E minor, C, and D. And you'll hear the backing track there. And one more time. Right, now I've done that twice so I can make sure that I've got it, but when you do your final recording you want to make sure that you put headphones on so in your ears you can hear this backing track that's already there, but it's not double recorded like I just did. Now it's time to choose our melody. So you want to check that you've got both tracks going. You can adjust your volume as needed. And one more time. And once I'm happy with it, I'm going to try to do a melody track with this. This is where the fun part comes in. You're going to have to go to a piano, taking your keyboard and everything with you. And now we're going to simply improvise on the piano. I'm going to pause this for a moment in case you want to get any equipment that you need or simply set up your progression so far so you can practice melody.